Alright, today I'm going to show you guys how to replace the ice forming tray inside the mini ice making machine, also known as the MIM-18, which is this little part right here. This little tray part, as you can see it. Alright, first thing you're going to do is you're going to have to take off this side panel right here. So you're going to just turn it over. And you're just going to unscrew this top row right here. You don't need to take these off. There you go. It should just pop right off. Oh, you gotta unscrew these two ones right here. There you go. Come right off real easy. Boom. So now you want to take off the lid, which is held by these 5 screws. There's going to be 4 blue ones and one silver one right here. So you're going to need a screwdriver, and you're just going to unscrew these. This is that silver one. Okay, now that's the one. Okay, cool, we got that. Those 5 out. So what we're gonna do is just gonna flip it back over. And the lid should just come right off. And it's held by this wire. So you don't wanna lean that on something. Alright, so now you guys can see the ice forming tray, which is what we're gonna replace right now. And it's actually held in on 2 sides by a motor and this thing right here. So we're gonna unscrew these 4 screws that's holding the motor in. That's 4. One more. Alright, it should just come right out. You can see right here. Alright, on the other side, it's just one screw. Alright, you're gonna need a flathead for this one. And just pop it out. It's not that hard. Boom, there you go. Alright, now we're gonna have to move these things which make the water cold, and it's just connected by one screw right there. So you're gonna want to unscrew that. It's just one screw, and it should just come right up. You're gonna might have to force it just a little bit. Move it, take this little thing out. Comes right out. Just force it up just a little bit, not too much. What you want to do is you want to just stick the flathead in here. Just push a little pressure so it'll pop right out. Just slide right up, just like that. It should just come right out. Now we're gonna insert a brand new one. We're actually gonna stick this end in first. And see right there, you just force it down a little bit where it pops in, right in place. Now we're gonna put the motor back in, which is held by the 4 screws. Get those 4 screws in. Now for the other side, just this little thing. Just put that right on there. Put the little screw in there. Now we're gonna wanna put this down gently. Just screw that right in. Okay, now we changed it. Now we're just gonna put the lid back on. So actually, we gotta put this on first. Don't forget this part. Clicks right in. Boom. Now we're gonna put the lid back on. Comes with a little clip, so it should clip right inside these holes. I'm just gonna flip it over. Unscrewing these 5 screws. There you have it.